This is the world's first perfect human, designed entirely by artificial intelligence. No flaws, no weaknesses, just peak evolution. And today, we're revealing exactly how AI made it, and why this changes everything. We fed AI 10,000 years of human evolution, every Olympic record, and genetic data from the healthiest people alive. Here's what it optimized. 1 physical design. Bones. 20% stronger. Modeled after astronaut bone density. Muscles. 50% more efficient. Cheetah-inspired fast twitch fibers and skin. Self-healing nanotech layer. Like a lizard regeneration. 2 brain and senses. IQ 300. Neural architecture based on Einstein plus supercomputers. ICUV, infrared. Eagle plus mantis shrimp vision. And hearing is dolphin-level echolocation. Now the dark side. What makes IT too good? Flaw 1. Number pain. No survival instinct. AI removed pain receptors. But pain keeps us alive. Would this human even care if it was injured? Flaw 2. Emotionally empty. To maximize logic, AI stripped out illogical emotions like love or fear. Is this a genius or a psychopath? Flaw 3. Can't reproduce. The perfect human is sterile. AI said reproduction introduces genetic errors. So, it's the last of its kind? Now the question is, could we build this? Right now, we have some of the tech to make this real. Gene editing, CRISPR, which makes stronger bones. Nanobots, which is used for self-healing skin. And brain chips to make him super intelligence. The only question is, should we? What happens if we do? Scenario 1. Utopia. AI renders a future where perfect humans cure disease and end war. No more cancer, no more weakness, just progress. Scenario 2. Dystopia. AI renders perfect humans, exterminating flawed ones. History shows the advanced always enslave the obsolete. Scenario 3. Extinction. If they're sterile, does perfection just die with them? Now let me ask you this. Is perfection worth IT? I'll take bad knees and anxiety over becoming that, but what do you think? If this scared or excited you, like for, build it, and dislike for, hell no. Comment what flaw you'd keep. I'm keeping pizza cravings, and subscribe before the perfect humans take over.